Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever dreamed of turning your passion into a paycheck? Maybe you love cooking, traveling, or sharing tech reviews, and you've thought, hey, I could totally blog about this. Well, you're in the right place, because today we're diving deep into how to build a profitable blog from scratch in 2026. This isn't just about writing. It's about building a sustainable online business that can generate real, passive income. We'll go through the entire process, step by step, from finding your perfect niche to cashing your first check. So grab a notebook and let's get started on your journey to becoming a successful blogger. First things first, let's talk about the foundation of any successful blog. Your niche. This is the specific topic you'll be writing about. I know it's tempting to want to write about everything you love, but trust me, niching down is the secret sauce. Why? Because it helps you stand out in a crowded online world and attract a dedicated, loyal audience. Think about what you're passionate about, what you're knowledgeable in, and most importantly, what people are actually searching for. Is there a problem you can solve? A question you can answer? A hobby you can teach? For example, instead of a general food blog, you could focus on vegan baking for beginners or 30-minute family meals. The more specific you are, the easier it is to become the go-to expert. Brainstorm a list of your interests, then do a quick search on Google and social media. See what other blogs exist. Is there a lot of competition? That might mean it's a popular, profitable niche. Is there very little? You might have found an untapped gold mine. The sweet spot is a niche that you genuinely enjoy and that has an audience eager for content. Once you've got your niche, it's time to find your voice and your audience through keyword research. This sounds super technical, but it's actually pretty simple. Keyword research is just about understanding the exact words and phrases people are typing into Google. By targeting these keywords, you tell Google, hey, my content is the answer to this person's question. This is how you get that sweet, organic traffic. There are tons of tools out there, both free and paid, like Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, and you. Let's say your niche is small apartment gardening. You could look up keywords like best indoor plants for low light, how to grow herbs on a balcony, or DIY vertical garden ideas. These are high traffic, high intent keywords. They show you exactly what your potential readers want to know. Your goal is to find a mix of popular, high-volume keywords and more specific, long-tail keywords. These longer phrases, like best budget-friendly grow lights for succulents, have less competition and attract readers who are ready to take action. Every blog post you write should be built around a primary keyword. This is the backbone of your SEO strategy, your search engine optimization, which we'll talk more about in a bit. Okay? You have your niche and your keywords. Now, for the heart of your blog, creating amazing, high-quality content. This is not in 2026. With so much information out there, your content needs to be the best. What does that mean? It means it's well-researched, engaging, easy to read, and most importantly, incredibly helpful. When someone lands on your blog post, you want them to think, wow, this is exactly what I was looking for. Your goal isn't just to answer their question, but to answer it so thoroughly that they don't need to go anywhere else. Use clear headings, short paragraphs, bullet points, and images to break up the text. Tell stories. Share your personal experiences. Let your personality shine through. Remember those keywords we found? You'll want to sprinkle them naturally throughout your content in your title, your headings, and the body of your text. This is what we call on-page SEO. It helps search engines understand what your content is about and show it to the right people. Create a content calendar and aim to publish consistently, whether it's once a week or twice a month. Consistency builds trust and keeps your audience coming back for more. So, you're creating fantastic content, but how do people find it? This is where SEO, or search engine optimization, truly works its magic. We've touched on-page SEO, which is about optimizing your actual content. But there's also off-page SEO, which is about building your blog's authority and credibility across the web. The most powerful way to do this is through a backlink, is when another website links to your blog. Think of it as a vote of confidence. When a reputable site links to your content, it tells Google that your blog is a trustworthy source of information. So, how do you get these valuable backlinks? You can start by guest posting on other blogs in your niche. This puts your content in front of a new audience and usually gets you a link back to your site. You can also create amazing shareable content like ultimate guides, infographics, or original research that people will naturally want to link to. Another key part of SEO is technical SEO. This involves making sure your website is fast, mobile-friendly, and easy for search engines to crawl. Don't worry, platforms like WordPress have plugins like Yoast SEO that make this super easy, even for beginners. SEO is a long-term game, but the payoff a steady stream of free, organic traffic is absolutely worth it. Now for the part you've been waiting for. How to actually make money from your blog. Let's talk monetization. One of the most popular and beginner-friendly methods is affiliate marketing. This is where you promote other people's products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. Let's go back to our small apartment gardening blog. You could write a review of your favorite gardening tools and include affiliate links to buy them on Amazon. When a reader clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a small commission at no extra cost to them. The key is to only promote products you genuinely use and love. Your audience trusts you, so you need to maintain that trust. Look for affiliate programs in your niche. The Amazon Associates program is a great place to start, but many companies have their own private programs as well. When done authentically, affiliate marketing can become a significant source of passive income. You write the post once, but it can continue to earn you money for years to come. Beyond affiliate marketing, there are several other powerful ways to monetize your blog. Once you start getting consistent traffic, you can apply for ad networks like Google AdSense, Mediavine, or Ad. They place ads on your site, and you get paid based on the number of views or clicks. The more traffic you have, the more you earn. Another incredibly valuable asset is your email list. From day one, you should have a way to capture your readers' email addresses. Offer a freebie, like a checklist, an ebook, or a mini course, in exchange for their email. This is called a lead magnet. Why is an email list so important? Because it's a direct line of communication to your most loyal fans. You own your email list. You don't own your social media followers or your Google rankings. Through your email list, you can nurture your relationship with your audience, announce new blog posts, and promote affiliate products, or even your own. Which brings us to the next level, creating and selling your own digital products. This could be an ebook, an online course, a workshop, or printable templates. This is where you can make a substantial income because you keep almost all of the profit. It takes more work up front, but the payoff can be massive. Let's put it all together and create a roadmap. Step 1. Choose a profitable niche you're passionate about. Step 2. Do your keyword research to understand what your audience is searching for. Step 3. Create a website. A self-hosted WordPress blog is the industry standard because it gives you full control and flexibility. Step 4. Start creating high-quality, SEO-optimized content. Consistently, aim for at least 10 to 15 solid blog posts before you even think about launching. Step 5. Implement a strategy to build your email list from day one. Offer a valuable freebie. Step 6. Promote your content. Share it on social media. Engage in online communities related to your niche. And consider guest posting. Step 7. Once you have a steady stream of traffic, start monetizing with affiliate marketing and display ads. Step 8. As your blog grows, consider creating and selling your own digital products to maximize your income. It's a marathon, not a sprint. The bloggers who succeed are the ones who show up consistently, provide massive value, and truly connect with their audience. Building a profitable blog is one of the most rewarding things you can do. It's a platform to share your voice, build a community, and create a life of freedom and flexibility. but it requires dedication and patience. You're not going to get rich overnight. There will be moments of doubt and times when you feel like you're writing to an empty room. That's normal. Every single successful blogger started at zero. The key is to keep learning, keep creating, and keep serving your audience. Celebrate the small wins: your first 100 visitors, your first email subscriber, your first affiliate sale. These are the milestones that will keep you motivated. Remember why you started and focus on the impact you want to make. Your passion and expertise can change someone's life, and a blog is the perfect vehicle to do just that. You have a unique message to share with the world, and there are people out there waiting to hear it from you. So, what are you waiting for? The best time to start a blog was 10 years ago. The second best time is right now. Take that first step. Choose your niche. Register your domain name. Write that first post. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and your journey to becoming a profitable blogger starts today. I hope this guide has inspired you and given you a clear path forward. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming videos, where we'll dive even deeper into each of these topics. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I read and respond to as many as I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.